from Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you something very simple, a side dish typical for Poland. It's called Mizeria, which is a salad based on cucumbers, traditionally used with heavy cream. However, I want to make it with a healthy spin and I'm going to use some yogurt. So let me show you how it's done. For this simple recipe, you're going to need a cucumber. One is enough for a couple. If you're making it for a bigger family, you need at least two. You're also going to need some salt, some red wine vinegar, some brown sugar, freshly minced pepper, Greek fat-free yogurt, and some dill. I use dry dill, but you can use fresh one. I start with peeling the cucumber. I am making the mizeria only for me, my husband, and our 2-year-old, so one is enough from us. But if you have a bigger family, just add another one. So after you peel the cucumber, you can go two ways. So you can either grate it on the grater or cut it with a knife. I prefer to use a knife because the slices are much thicker. The slices shouldn't be very thick, that one is a bit too thick. It should be that size. After you're done slicing the cucumbers, put them in a bowl. We don't need that anymore. And now, a pinch of salt, probably 2, maybe 3, and a pinch of brown sugar, 2 and 3. So I mix it with my hand. It's my preferred way. And I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after about 20 minutes, you can get rid of all the extra water that the cucumbers produced. And now, add a bit of pepper. Half a tablespoon of vinegar, dill. Mix it all. And you can add a tablespoon of low-fat yogurt. It is ready. As you can see, it's pretty simple and easy to make. If you are vegan by any chance or lactose intolerant, just don't add yogurt or any cream and it's going to be perfect as well. I usually keep it for an hour and 2 in the fridge before serving, but feel free to eat it straight away. I serve it with some pork chops and potatoes, but please let me know what you think about mizeria and what did you pair it with. SMACZNEGO!